Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool. How to install Angular on Windows 11 the right way. So, if you're ready to start building awesome web apps with Angular, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First things first. Before we install Angular, we need Node.js. Why? Because Angular uses NPM, Node Package Manager, to install dependencies. Let's check if you already have it. Open your terminal, type cmd, and hit Enter. Now, type this command, node-v. If you see a version number, great. You already have Node.js. If not, let's install it. Just head over to https://nodejs.org and download the LTS version. Once downloaded, run the installer, click Next, Next, Install, and boom, done. Now that we have Node.js, installing Angular is a breeze. Open your terminal again and run this command, npm install -g at Angular/CLI. Once done, let's check if it installed correctly. Run ng version. If you see the Angular CLI version, you're all set. Alright, now let's create our first Angular app. In your terminal, navigate to the folder where you want your project. Run nung new my Angular app. Angular will ask you some questions, like if you want strict mode or SCSS. Just hit Enter to go with the defaults. It'll set up everything for you. Once it's done, move into your project folder. cd my Angular app. And start the development server with ng-serve. Now, open your browser and go to http localhost:4200. And boom, your first Angular app is live. And that's it. You just installed Angular on Windows 11 and created your first project. If this video helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Also, let me know. What do you want to build with Angular? See you in the next one. Happy coding!